antiperspirant deodorants, all right? So antiperspirants are basically designed to stop you from sweating, all right? The way that they do this is they use aluminum. The aluminum goes in, chemical reaction with your sweat, and clogs your sweat ducts. Sounds super healthy, right? No, it doesn't. It's horrible for you, all right, for a few reasons. Number one, when we sweat, this is our body's ability and time to release a lot of the toxins that are inside. But when you actually block or stop your body's ability to perspire, the toxins build up in your lymph glands. Something else that I found when I was doing my research developing Super Fresh for Pete and Pedro is that aluminum also has been linked to Alzheimer's disease. And even if you're not using an antiperspirant and you're just using a deodorant, the problem is that a lot of the cheaper deodorants that you're going to find in most drugstores are really horrible. Tons of toxic chemicals. So I realized I had to do something about it, which is why I went to the drawing board. It took 2 years and 57 different formulations to find a perfect formula. Gentlemen, if you are looking for a naturally derived deodorant that not only is sulfite-free, paraben-free, aluminum-free, it's basically free from all the toxic shit. Not only is this deodorant healthier than what you're using, it actually works better. It goes on clear, but the cool thing, it doesn't leave a greasy residue, which means it's not gonna mess up your clothes. It's gonna work and last all day long. The scent is insane. We call it Super Fresh because it's spearmint eucalyptus. This is incredible. Guys, hit the link down below. Check out the Pete and Pedro Super Fresh. I am so incredibly proud and pumped about this product. I built it for me because I wanted a better deodorant, and what I created, I feel, is a revolution. This product is literally gonna change the game and lives of men. Guys, hit the link down below. Check it out. It is an amazing product.